Hey guys, how's it going? It's Flat Earth Sage here again. I was just out walking around getting something to eat, and I was on my way walking back to my apartment and came across this little tomato plant. Not sure what kind of tomato plant, but it's just chilling, growing right here. My guess is someone threw a tomato. My guess is that someone had like a slice of tomato and they just threw it over there on the curve. And I guess the after it rotted away and whatnot, the seed must have gotten underneath into the ground and sprouted out through the crack. And I was just saying to myself the other day, I've never seen a wild tomato plant before. And now I have. So anyway, I thought that was pretty cool. Uh, and it'd be even cooler to figure out what kind of, I think they're a cherry tomato variety. It's got like a little crack in it, but that's not bad. That's just probably from the weather that we've been having and the fact that it's located right there on the side of the curb. But that was honestly was not expecting to see that at all. I'm gonna wash these off when I get back and try them out and see how they taste. But anyway, I thought that was kind of cool. Thought I would share that with you guys. Anyway, hope you all are doing well. Peace and love, guys.